All right, new taillights are installed. These are the same shape as your regular taillights that come on the 05 Chevys, just with a smoke lens. It's giving me a little problems getting them in. I don't know why. I mean, they fit. It's just, you know, I guess I'm just new to the whole game. And anyway, we got them on. They look pretty good. So, taillights are done. Finally. And it's just really hot out here too, so. Uh-huh. 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 There we go. Alright. So that's done. I'm about to head to the store here in a minute so I can get some bulbs so I can put in my interior door lights in. And that will be that. Well, let's see if I can get some lights shining through them while we're at it. Might as well. See if I can get something to light up. Since I'm on my own person, I can't make them all light up, but I can crank her up. Gosh, it's hot in here. I don't know why it says it's, I don't know if you can see that. It's 83 degrees, but it's hot in here. And let some windows open a little bit too while we're at it. Whew. Well, okay, so I'm just gonna have my, you know, oh, I'm exhausting. I am exhausting. I'm exhausting. Okay, so there is the, I put on my flasher so we can see the blinkers. So there's the park lights, brake lights, whatever you want to call them, brake lights, and the blinkers. Blinkers are going. There we go, that looks pretty good. And then, of course, my reverse lights will show up here. But I can't demonstrate that. But those look pretty good. Yeah. Alright. Turn that off before I fumigate the whole neighborhood. Which I basically already have. So that is one more thing off the list of to do. Alright. See you next time.